Your car's odometer is a crucial tool that every driver should understand. It tracks your vehicle's total mileage, which is essential for maintenance scheduling, determining resale value, and monitoring fuel efficiency. An odometer is essentially a mileage counter that records the total distance your vehicle has traveled since it was manufactured. This information is vital for proper vehicle care and management. In modern vehicles, you'll typically find the odometer display in the center of your instrument cluster, often positioned below the speedometer or integrated into a digital display screen. Modern cars primarily use digital odometers, which display mileage electronically with high accuracy. These have largely replaced older mechanical odometers that used physical rotating wheels. Besides the main odometer, most vehicles also feature trip odometers, typically labeled Trip A and Trip B. These are resettable counters that let you measure specific journey distances, perfect for tracking individual trips or fuel economy. Many modern vehicles also allow you to check your mileage remotely through manufacturer mobile apps. This provides convenient access to odometer readings and additional vehicle information from your smartphone. Understanding your odometer is the foundation of effective vehicle management. Accurate mileage tracking helps you maintain proper service intervals, preserve your car's value, and make informed decisions about repairs and replacements. To check your car's mileage, first start your vehicle and look for the odometer display in your instrument cluster. Use your steering wheel buttons or dashboard controls to cycle through different mileage displays if the odometer isn't immediately visible. Your car has multiple mileage displays. The main odometer shows total lifetime miles, while trip odometers track individual journeys and can be reset. If you can't see the display clearly, check your dashboard dimmer settings. Modern digital odometers are highly accurate, maintaining 99.5% accuracy throughout the vehicle's lifetime. Regular odometer checks help you stay on top of service intervals, improve warranty claim processing, and can potentially increase your vehicle's resale value by up to 8%.